everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to do a little get to know me, so I hope you enjoy. I did go to college and I got my degree in health science with a concentration of global public and environmental health. I will say that it was a journey though. So first off, I started as a theater major, and then from a theater major I went to biology, and from biology I went to dietetics, and then from dietetics I went back to biology, and then I ended up back at health science, and that's where I ended. So I was working at a law firm, which I loved, and the people treated me amazingly. And now I work as a space coordinator. On my spare time, I write a newsletter and I do YouTube. And I do encourage everyone to subscribe to my newsletter. I tackle all types of issues from religion to relationships to skincare to lifestyle. I do hit all topics that people can relate to and understand. My main goal in life is to become an actress and a print model. It is something I've been doing for about 6 years now. I've done short films, student films, and I've done plenty of background work, and I continue to take classes till this day. The reason I decided to start a YouTube channel is to become my own boss. I do love the freedom that it gives. And I love creating content for you guys. And two YouTubers that I do look up to are Kiana Naomi and Jessica Vu. You guys should really check out their YouTube channels if you haven't. They are so inspiring, it's so artistic, and they really take time into their content. It's aesthetically pleasing, it's just beautiful. So go over to their channel. I will have it linked below, and go comment, like, and subscribe, and tell them that Shoto Ann sent you. Okay, we can just have the kale salad then. Cut this up. What kind of quinoa is it? Mom, I don't know. What's that? I made it. What is it? Is it banana peppers? Mozzarella. Thank you. Not the accent. Quinoa. Oh, why don't we just have... So that's the great thing about editing. Alright. Quinoa. Donna. And then you said kale salad. What kind of kale salad? No, we're gonna chop up some kale, mixing it with the kale. Excuse me. Yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy. A few other things about me is that I have a pet cat named Dee Dee, and I have a dog named Princess. Dee Dee is 9, 10, and then Princess is 5.